Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. So in today's video I'm going to be attempting, emphasis on the word attempting, to do the swoosh bang 90s style ponytail that I've been seeing all over the web, all over Instagram, and I'm so in love with it. If you guys know, I've been obsessed like for the past couple of months now with the whole 90s vibe, and I'm really excited to try out this hairstyle. So yeah, I've got my natural I've got my natural throw out right now. I've just taken it out of cornrows. I don't want to have like freshly washed hair and then put gel in my hair and all these products, and then it just ends up being trash and I have to wash my hair again. So this is my natural 4C hair out. I haven't done anything to it. It's a little bit stretched out. As I said, I've had it in braids. I'm just gonna get my blow dryer and I'm just gonna blow it out a little bit so my hands are easier to move in my hair. Ooh, this is a vibe. Ooh, this is a vibe. Okay, anyway, distracted. Ooh, let me show you the hair I'm actually going to be using. I'm going to be using Clipin'S to attempt this hairstyle. So this is my first time ever using Clipin'S, like ever. And I ordered this hair off eBay, and I slightly regret it just because I feel like the hair isn't actually human hair. It looks a bit of a mess because I opened it up and I was just really disappointed with it, but you know what, I'm still gonna use it. Don't know why, but let's do it. This is the hair. It's Clipin', it's like a Clipin' 4C texture blowout kind of style, so it's meant to mimic my natural hair, but I feel like the ends do mimic my natural hair in its 4C state, but at the beginning of the weft it really doesn't. It says it's meant to be a virgin, 100% virgin human hair. I don't know about that because I did put some straighteners through it and then I saw it melted a little bit, so I don't think it's 100% human. I think it's like a mixed fiber. This is in 18 inches and I got a second pack as well, and this is the same hair and this is in 16 inches. You know what, they look pretty close in length. I don't know. You know what, I'll stick with the 16 because I'm only doing a ponytail look, so I don't need a lot of length to my hair, and because I want to do like the flip swoosh thing at the back or with the ponytail, I want the hair to be quite short. So yeah, it doesn't need to be super long. I mean, I'm excited to try out the hairstyle, but I do hope it works out. So yeah, we're just gonna get straight into it. So first things first with my hair, I'm just gonna put my blow dryer through it really quickly just to, you know, loosen it up a little bit, get rid of some of that curly texture. So yeah, I'm just gonna section my hair out real quick and just, yeah, blow it out just to, you know, stretch it out a little bit. Ooh, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and yeah, let's get into it. Let's get that 90s swoosh bang ponytail. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, my hands are in pain right now. Yeah, wait. Let me get my wide tooth comb. Yeah, so now my hair is blowed out, so I've got a bit more length to it. I need to figure out where I want my bangs. This side or this side? No, I'm to the left. Okay, yeah, to the left. It looks like everyone always parts it like really deep, so I'm just gonna part a really deep part for the swoosh. So yeah, I've partitioned my bang, and now I'm just gonna take a little bubble. I don't know why I'm doing that accent, and just tie it off. Okay, now this part is gonna be the easy part because I've done ponytails before. This is not gonna be a problem. I think it's just the fact that I'm gonna be using Clipin'S this time. Okay, so I'm just gonna put my hair in a high ponytail, and I'm just gonna get, okay, so I have a pack of hair ties. I'm just gonna get 2 of these just so I can get like proper strength in the ponytail. And I learned this trick from a friend of mine actually. She said, if you don't want your ponytails to hurt, you should smile while you're putting your hair up in a ponytail. So I'm gonna smile, and that way it doesn't get tight later on. So yeah, hopefully that works. Okay, so we're good to go. Okay, so I'm gonna put some gel in my hair now. I'm going to be using the Eco Styler gel. Yeah, this is the coconut oil one. I just got this from Amazon because none of the hair shops are open because we're in lockdown, and I've used it in the past and it does the job. So yeah, okay. So I'm just getting this comb and making sure all my pieces. I'm gonna take a little bit of the gel, just a little bit, and I'm going to start putting it on my hair. I don't know why I apply gel like it's hair cream. I don't know what it is. I always do that. Okay, I'm just going to take a little bit more gel, just placing it onto my hair. So I think I've got enough to start with. So I'm just going to take this brush and I'm just going to, I'm trying to create like a little bit of a swoop with, okay, I think I might have to retie my hair because it looks like my hair pieces are actually longer than I thought they were. So I'm just taking this out again. I'm just going to retie it just so I can get all the extra pieces. Okay, so my hair is now in a ponytail and I've just made a little bun. Right, so now this is going to be the interesting part because this is the part I'm a little bit confused about how I'm going to do, but it shouldn't be too hard hopefully. Trying to figure out how I'm going to do this. So like I said, I'm going to be using clip-ins and I think I'm going to section my hair off here. I'm going to get a clip-in and place it in here. Okay, so I think, yeah, this piece is long enough to cover the parting. So yeah, I'm just gonna go with this. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Just gonna make another parting here, and I think I'm just gonna use the two short pieces. So these pieces. Is this too much hair? I think I have too much hair. I have more than enough hair that I need, so I'm just going to part this one out of the way. I'm going to pin it down right at the back, right here. And I'm just going to work with what's left. Hopefully I can get this to lay down. Okay, I think we have something. How does that look on the side? It doesn't look too bad. So I'm just going to get out my hair. Okay, so this is my hair, so I'm just going to get these straighteners and just straighten out my natural hair. Okay, so oh, that is much better actually. That looks much better. Okay, so I think I have my swoosh bang. As long as it looks smooth, which it pretty much does, I think I'm going to call it a day with the bang. So we're just going to leave this as it is. Yeah, I'm just going to spray down my hair. Okay, so now that I've done the swoosh bang, I think we can move on to the actual ponytail, and hopefully that goes a lot smoother than this, because boy, that was a lot more effort than I actually thought it would be, I'm not going to lie. Okay, so I still have 2 clip-ins left, which I don't think will be enough for the ponytail, because I do like my ponytails quite thick. So I'm just going to unclip those. So I'm going to get this little piece, and I'm going to just clip it around my ponytail rather than clipping all 3. I'm just going to wrap it around. So I'm just going to wrap and clip. That's actually now on the perimeter of the ponytail. We are on our way, and I can see my hair's getting messed up now, but it's fine, I can fix it. I'm going to do it from the back this time. Clip and wrap, and then clip again. Perfecto! Yes! Okay, one more time. Ooh. And this time we're going to do it at the front. Clip it over here. Okay, and then we're going to clip it into here. Oh, that looks so good. I wonder if I have space for one more. Okay guys, we have a ponytail. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, so the ponytail is in. So the trick that I found to using clip-ins for ponytail is to clip one side in, which you guys probably didn't see me do very well. So I clipped in the first clip and then I wrapped it and then I clipped in the second. So I didn't clip all 3 pieces and I just kept wrapping it around my ponytail rather than extending it outwards. So yeah, I think that is pretty secure actually. So I'm quite happy actually, like very happy about that. Now that that's done, again, I'm still going to have to hide this, but I think what I'm going to do to make it easier on myself is just get a hair bubble and tie it on rather than trying to attempt to wrap it without. So yeah, as I was saying, I've got my hair bubble, so I'm just going to tie it around the perimeter of the pony so I can hide like the weft line and stuff, as you guys can very clearly see. So I'm just going to swoop that in there. See what I did there? Swoop. Gonna swoop that in there. Okay, so now that I've done that, the next step is to curl the ends of this hair. And that is the whole reason why I got the human extensions. And if it does not curl, it's about to be a problem. So I think I'm supposed to curl it inwards, right? We're gonna curl it inwards to get that bump. So yeah, let's hope and pray this works. Already turned my straighteners on. I'm just gonna part the hair into 2. Gonna brush it. And we're going to hope and pray that this works out, guys. Oh, that was easy. Thank you, God. Okay, so now let's see if we can do this one just as easy. Okay, so that was actually so much more easier than I thought it would be. There's the look. I'll just hairspray it really quickly. Alright guys, I am finally done. I have swooped my edges, my bang is laid, and I've got my semi-somewhat bump of a ponytail. Yeah, I'm so pleased with this. Like, hello. And you know what I love about this? I like the fact that it's got texture to it. I mean, as much as I'd love to have like a super sleek hair, my intent was not for a sleeked down straight hair. I wanted something that would resemble my hair, you know. Although this hair really doesn't resemble my natural hair whatsoever, it still has texture to it. And yeah, I'm really happy. I feel like I could be some real cute, you know, 90s babe. Like, let's roll it back again. Okay, so I'm gonna end the video here. I do hope you guys enjoyed it and hope you guys learned something. We managed to transform my short 4C hair to this goddess of a 90s queen. So yeah, so this is my 90s flipped swoosh bang ponytail. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Leave your thoughts and comments down below. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll put my social media on screen. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.